Let's learn 5 more phrasal verbs with draw. Firstly, draw back from. This means to avoid or decide not to do something. For example, draw back from the fire, it's getting bigger. Next is draw in. This means to attract or pull people in, or to become darker earlier. For example, don't be drawn in by her looks. I know her. She'll bankrupt you. Draw on. This means to use something you have, like skills, experience, or resources. I'm drawing on my driving skills to navigate these treacherous roads. Draw together. This means bring people or things closer emotionally or physically, or unite or collaborate. We were drawn together by our love for rock music. And finally, draw upon. This means use your knowledge, skills, or strengths. I'll draw upon everything I've learnt this year to pass. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.